In today's video, we are going to show you how to identify the cause of static noise and get your gaming headset microphone sounding clean and clear again. Static noise can make it difficult for teammates, friends, or viewers to hear you clearly. The good news is that most microphone static issues can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. And before we do anything here, you need to start inspecting your headset connection. So I need you to check the physical connections. If you are using a wired headset, unplug the headset connector and plug it back in firmly. Make sure the audio jack is fully inserted in the correct port because a loose connection is one of the most common cause of static interference. For USB headsets, try disconnecting and reconnecting the USB cable. If possible, plug it into a different USB port on your computer. And you need to test another USB port or audio jack. Faulty or overloaded ports can introduce unwanted sound. It happened to me. Alright, so try connecting your headset to another USB port, preferably one directly on the motherboard rather than through your USB hub. If you are using a 3.5mm headset, test both the front and rear audio ports of your PC. After switching ports, test your microphone again to see if the static disappears. And of course, you need to inspect the headset cable. Alright? Now, carefully examine the headset cable for any visible damage, bands, cuts, or frayed sections. Damaged cables can create electrical interference that results in buzzing or static sounds. While testing, gently move the cable around and listen for changes in the noise level. If the static changes when the cable moves, the cable may need repair or replacement. So I need you to adjust the microphone levels as well. Microphone gain that's set too high can amplify background electrical noise. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon, open the sound settings, select your microphone and open the microphone properties. Lower the microphone level slightly. Test your voice after each adjustment until you find a balance between volume and clarity. And of course, you can disable the audio enhancements. Some audio enhancement features can introduce distortion or unwanted sound. Navigate to the microphone properties and look for options such as audio enhancements, noise suppression, acoustic echo cancellation, signal processing features. Try disabling these settings temporarily and compare the microphone quality. And of course, you need to update the audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause microphone issues. Now, to do that, open Device Manager and locate your audio devices. Check for driver updates for your sound card, USB headset, motherboard audio chipset. Install any available updates and restart your computer afterward. And then, after doing all these, fixing a gaming headset microphone that's picking up static noise usually comes down to checking connections, adjusting microphone levels, updating drivers, and eliminating sources of interference. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify the source of the problem and restore clear voice communication for gaming, streaming, and online meetings. If one solution doesn't work, continue through the remaining steps until you find the cause of the static noise affecting your headset microphone. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.